I'm going to show you how to do a holding slide for your class. So let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do is the following. I just have a PowerPoint ready on the desktop. I have a couple of slides. I have a welcome slide, lesson content or student activity slide, but I'm going to focus in on this one for a moment. So I'm going to leave this PowerPoint here on my desktop. I'm going to go into Teams. I'm going to go into the class. So I'm about to run my class here. I'm going to do a quick refresher on how to schedule a recurring class. So I'm in the general channel here, or the live lessons channel. Let's say I do it in the live lessons channel this time. I press this button here, meet, schedule a meeting, and then I call it Wednesday lesson. We're going to pretend that this lesson is occurring from 12 to 1. And then the only other thing that I might want to do is make it repeating, so weekly. And then press send. Details, etc. If you want to do it, that's fine. And then like I had in the last lesson, if you click into it, you can decide your meeting options here and change them. So that's actually quite handy. But let's join the meeting. So let's go and I'll show you what you might do. So press join. You're going to see me on screen in a moment. Hello there. Here you can choose your background filters, which is actually very handy for people. So blur, maybe just like that. Different scenes, whatever might suit you that you want to teach with the background in the back. And then, choosing your computer audio and other settings. So let's just press join now. Okay, once you're in the class, so you can start to welcome students, of course. Pressing this button here, whether you have the lobby on or not. Let's say you don't have the lobby on here, that's okay. You just want to have this on the screen for when students come in. So press share content. Include your computer sound if you want to play sounds later. And then just pick this, welcome. So it's the PowerPoint from down below. And then what you can do is just click up to the top slide and from current slide. So now what your students will see when they come into the class is a holding slide, and you might just have something fun or nice like, welcome back to our wonderful class. Class is going to begin in just a minute. So it might be just a quick idea for you, might be handy. So you could have that slide up, and as you can see on the video, I can be talking to the students right now. I can be, telling them to relax, take a breath, get their materials ready, and that we're going to get started in just a moment. So I think it's a handy little tip. Hopefully you use it for yourself. So see you in the next video.